Hello everybody. I am making a stir fry my way. Now in this pan you're going to see that there is both thin sliced pork, center cut loin pork chops, and what we call chicken fingerlings, which are boneless chicken breasts, okay? And they're the center cuts, so they're really very meaty, very little fat on them. So it's very easy to slice and use for many different ways, like I am using for a stir fry tonight, but you can use them in many different ways, okay? Like in sauces, or you want to make stews. They're very universal, fairly inexpensive, depends where you buy them. You can get them at Grundhofer's Meat Market in Hugo. You can get them at Flicker's Meat Market in White Bear Lake, and other very fine butcher shops. But tonight, this little baby is going to be ours. Now, this is cooking in a sesame seed oil and Crisco vegetable oil. Now, the sesame seed oil is this kind right here. And I got this, you can get this in any grocery store. I got mine at Walmart, fairly inexpensive, about $2 a bottle. This is Crisco pure vegetable shortening, okay? I put about half a cup in here total that this is cooking in right now. And you want to saute your meats first, okay? So they're pretty much 3/4 cooked and nice and crisp. And you're going to want to add seasonings to it. Now this one has so far, it has a orange glaze teriyaki sauce on it. And it also has about 2 tablespoons of fine garlic powder on it. Mixed it all up together, and then I'm sauteing it. Okay, so we're going to quickly turn to our attention to all these different spices I've got here. Okay, now, if you like to play with spices and food and sauces like I do, you're going to want several. I have one here that's a sesame sauce by P.F. Chang's, very good. I have the chili garlic sauce, which is absolutely to die for. Very good in almost everything, but especially stir fries. This is the orange sauce I put on the meat already. That is very good. It's a sweet sauce, okay? You don't want to use a lot of it, just enough. This is straight LaCroix teriyaki sauce that is going to be added into the mixture when I add the vegetables. This is a Thai sriracha, okay? This has got heat, so it depends how much heat you like. Use this in your own moderation, depending on what you want, okay? This is a poke sauce. Poke sauce basically is a marinade sauce. It's a combination of teriyaki and soy sauce with a little bit of heat. And this is tamari. I use, instead of using soy sauce, I use this on my complete finished meal when I put it on my plate with my rice and my hard noodles. Now, this is all the vegetables that's going to go in that big stir-fry pan. We got shiitake mushrooms that I've been soaking all day because they were dehydrated. Now they're sliced in there. We've got onions in there. We've got carrots in there. We've got celery. We've got rice noodles in here. We've got pea pods. And we have red bell peppers. And this is another packet of teriyaki sauce. Whether or not I use all this or not, I don't know yet. It depends after I get it all together. But look at all those nice, beautiful, colorful vegetables that we are going to add to this mixture over here that is still cooking. Now this whole meal all together, when this is 3/4 done here, because that's what we're doing right now, I told you that. We're going to get this with a nice, at least 3/4 done, and then I'm going to add the vegetables that you've just seen in that bowl. Then you're going to add some more of those seasonings that I just told you about to your own taste. This whole meal from start to finish should take you about 20-25 minutes to get it to the table, to your hungry family, to those kids that keep on yelling at you, "Mom, what's for dinner?" And the husband that says, "I'm hungry." And of course, you're doing all the cooking. But that's not so bad all the time. There's trade-offs, baby. All right, this is DDK, author of those fabulous recipe books 1 and 2 that have this recipe in it. So you want to buy my books. at Grundhofer's Jugal Meat Market or Flicker's Market in White Bear Lake, or buy them from moi, the author, Johnny Llanos, the famous personal chef of the stars. You want to get them, send me an email, dvdish67@gmail.com, or call my digits, 612-859-3270. But you don't want to make this bad boy. This is delicious, low in calories, delicious for the family. There isn't anyone that doesn't like Asian stir fry. Not that I know of. Otherwise, it could be weird. All right, just teasing. Ciao for now, babies. I got to finish the rest of this cooking. I hope you enjoy it. Bye now.